I refuse to lose anymore.
Are you serious? What the, I'm not even gonna. Why is it? It's skipping 2! How is it skipping 2 every second, and I'm not even resuming the recording? How does it do that? You know, how does it do that? How does it do that? Oh, you want to know another issue? You want to know another issue I've had? Okay, listen, okay. 2-minute videos. 2 1-minute videos. Oh, but look, it's actually a 7-minute. Oh, and you want to learn something else? Oh, wait, there's actual, wait, there must be footage, right? Because it's showing it. It's showing the footage, but just kidding. But we're just kidding, right? We're just kidding. There's actually no footage whatsoever, so that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, and you've also got, look at that. Look at that! Same situation!
Wait! What do you mean?
Look how much it was skipping there, bro! Look how many seconds it was skipping! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 trillion! What's good? Let's go! Oh, look, I got an ad right in the middle of recording! That's pretty cool! It's pretty freaking cool. I'm trying to install an application and nothing is working. So nice. I've literally spent an hour into this freaking loophole of installing one application and it hasn't even been completed yet.